Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of PowerPoint, and today I'll be showing you how to create this crazy yet beautiful animation effect in PowerPoint 2016. You can see that different color bars are moving towards each other, and this is a continuous animation effect. This means that the animation will not stop and will continue until the end of the slide. So let's get started with the tutorial and create this awesome animation effect. First of all, open your PowerPoint slide and insert the heading text on which you want to apply this effect. Then insert a rectangle shape such that it should overlap the text. Right-click the shape and choose Format Shape. Change its color and set the transparency to 75%. Then go to the line options and select No Line. Now what you need to do is that duplicate this rectangle shape and add as many variations as possible in terms of the length of the rectangle and its colors. Choose the colors as random as possible. You can make up to 8 to 10 color bars. Then divide these color bars equally. Like if you have 8 color bars, select 4 out of them and shift them to the left of the slide, and shift the remaining color bars at the right of the slide. These should be placed outside the slide. And now it's time to begin with the animation process. You need to add a motion path to all these rectangle color bars. Let's select this color bar, and since it is placed at the left end of the slide, we will add a right motion path effect to it. Click and drag the mouse button to increase the length of the motion path such that the path should end at the other end of the slide and it should end outside the slide. Now open the effect options of this effect and reduce the smooth start and smooth end buttons to 0 seconds. And here you can see this option named Auto Reverse. Keep this option checked so that our color bars will keep on moving from left to right and then from right to left. Under the timings tab, select Start with Previous, and regarding the duration of animation effect, you can choose the duration anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds. It can be 3.5 or maybe 4.2, anywhere between 3 to 5 seconds, and you need to have a different duration time for each of the motion path effect. So please keep the duration time as random as possible. Next, select Repeat until the end of the slide and click OK. Now follow the same process and add motion path effects to all the color bars with same properties, except that you will add left motion path effect to the color bars placed at the right end of the slide and a right motion path effect to the color bars placed at the left end of the slide. Also, do not forget to add variations in the duration time of each of the motion path effect. Let's see what we have achieved so far. Amazing! You can see that when the color bars overlap each other, they create new colors, and it's a very beautiful way to present your intro text to your audience. So that's it guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please like and share the video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.